Good morning, students. Today we are going to explain the poem Nine Gold Medals by David Roth. Nine Gold Medals, written by American rock vocalist David Roth. It's a song that inspires human compassion and cooperation. The poem is based on a story about the nine differently abled athletes in a special Olympic event. In a race, when one runner fell to the ground, all the others stopped and returned back to help him stand on his feet, and then they walked hand in hand to finish the race. Each of the athletes was awarded a gold medal in recognition of their outstanding show of empathy and compassion. While we have to start the poem here from the very beginning, the athletes had come from all over the country to run for the gold, for the silver, and the bronze. Many weeks and months of training, all coming down to these games. Here, it has been shown that athletes have come from all parts of the countries, many other countries, all over the world to take part in the special Olympics, and they were there to compete for medals. Means someone wants to fight for gold, someone wants to fight for silver, and someone wants to fight for the bronze medal. They have gone through strenuous training for months to participate in the events with high hopes and dreams of winning medals. Even if we are supposed to play any of the game, we also longs for gaining the medals. So it was also the same with those special child. So throughout the second stanza, it has been shown the spectators gathered around the old fields to cheer on all the young women and men. The final events of the day was approaching. Excitement grew high to begin. A large audience was present at the ground to cheer the participants of different events, and they cheered and enjoyed throughout the day. Now it was the time for the final events of the day and the race. The people were eagerly waiting for the events to begin there in the ground. The blocks were all lined up for those who would use them, the 100-yard dash and the race to be run. These were nine resolved athletes in back of the starting line, poised for the sound of the gun. And the name of the runners who would take part in the 100-meter race were announced, and there were nine participants, all determined to win the competition, and they all lined up behind the starting point. They were ready to start, waiting for the sound of the gun to start their race. The signal was given, the pistol exploded, and so did the runners, all charging ahead. But the smallest among them, he stumbled and staggered and fell to the asphalt instead. And the pistol exploded, signaling the start of the race. Now it was the time when the race started. All the runners charged ahead along their respective tracks. Okay, they proceeded on their respective tracks, but suddenly there occurred an unexpected thing. And what was that? The shortest athlete among them stumbled and staggered and fell on his knees to the ground and asphalt track. He gave out a cry in frustration and anguish, his dreams and his efforts all dust in the dirt. But as sure as I am standing here telling the story, the same goes for what next occurred. Nothing could be more frustrating for a differently abled athlete after such tough training. The moment he fell, he knew all his dreams, hopes, efforts, all were dusted. His pain and disappointment made him give out a cry, but it did not end there. Sorry. There occurred something really strange. following his fall. What happened? The eight other runners pulled up on their heels. The one who had trained for so long to compete, one by one, all turned around and went back to help him and brought the young boy to his feet. Then, strangely enough, the eight other athletes who were ahead of him stopped in their tracks. Though they had trained hard for so long to compete with one another and win medals. The fall of one athlete changed their minds, and they now returned one by one and helped the fallen one stand up on his feet. Then all the nine runners joined hands and continued the 100-yard dash, now reduced to a walk, and a banner above that said Special Olympics could not have been more on the mark. Then all the nine athletes they joined their hands together and they walked to the finish line together, and the 100-meter race was reduced to a walk. But still, it was special for the great display of human compassion, cooperation, sportsmanship spirits. It could not have been more special in any way. That means they all completed their race all together. That's how the race ended with nine gold medals. They came to the finish line holding hands still and a standing ovation, and nine beaming faces said more than these words ever. The nine sportsmen stood in smiling faces under the banner that declared it was the Special Olympics, and those smiling faces touched the heart of everyone present there in the ground. It delivered something special, a great feeling and a great lesson. This mere poem is not enough to express it was beyond words. And throughout the poem, we came to know that it represents the feeling of cooperation, sympathy, and even more the feeling of sportsmanship. So, this is the poem up to here. I hope you would enjoy this and go through the poem once more throughout your book.